Hi, and welcome to NERO. NERO is a game that lets you train and compete with your own artificially intelligent agents. So what you're seeing here is a battle between the blue team on this side and the red team on the other side. And each one of these simulated robots that's trying to get control of these mushroom-looking structures is controlled by their own individual neural network. Each one of these networks was evolved for a particular task. So some of these guys are really good at running to the flag and capturing it fast, and some of them are very good at defending the flag once the enemy force is coming to capture it, to take it back from you. And so you can also see that they are able to avoid these trees, and they also need to be able to go around this wall. So there's multiple behaviors that are evolved for these particular tasks, and the player selects the behavior that they think is going to let them win. Now let's take a look at some training. Now the cool thing about this is that it's very interactive. So while you're evolving these guys, you can, for example, add an object to the environment and see how they react to it. Or in this case, we've added the flag, and this team has already evolved to go to the flag. This team also has another ability, however, and if we add an enemy robot, we'll see what it is. So they'll go and chase this guy, but they'll step back at some distance. So another neat thing you can do is you can become one of these guys and look at the world through their sensors, as well as interact with the agents you're training by moving around and seeing how they react. So in this case, you see that they fire back at you because they see you as an enemy, but they also try to stay back to avoid getting hit. Since you control the fitness, the rewards they receive for performing various actions, you can train them to do a lot of different things.
Any luck, they should mostly ignore this guy as they see him, but they come over to the flag instead.
Meanwhile, back in our game, it looks like the red team is in control. They have most of the control points, and it looks like nothing can stand in their way. The blue team is down to one last mushroom, and although they're putting up a defense, it looks like the red team is going to win this one. So you see here they're creating some of the aggressive trained robots and sending them forward to capture the last control point. And it looks like they're finally going to take over. However, while the red team was admiring their control point, the blue team was wasting their time, and so they spawned these flag specialists and sent them to capture the red control point behind the enemy flanks. And they're also trying to defend their remaining control point in the corner. And so this battle continues. While this is definitely fun in games, we think that these kinds of interactive simulation environments combined with powerful AI algorithms, like for example neuroevolution, open the way for exciting new research. Besides making some really interesting games, artificial intelligent agents in simulation can help shed new light on questions ranging from evolution of intelligence to grounding of communication, and test potential solutions to problems in physical robots where testing these problems would be expensive otherwise, and educate and excite people about computer science as a whole. We invite you to take a look at our website, nerogame.org, for more information. Thanks.